Eyewitness weather forecast.
Lots of melting happening across our area today. Some nice sunshine in the first half of the day. Clouds streaming in this afternoon. And check out the sunset here at the end of the loop. A really nice one tonight. Still gaining about 2.5 minutes of daylight here each day. Now overnight tonight, temperatures really don't drop off all that much. Our lows only in the mid-20s in the North Country tonight. Low 30s for the rest of us. And these temperatures are more like what we would see for high temperatures at this point in the month of February. These are only our lows tonight. And tomorrow we'll see another day of thawing with temperatures getting above freezing, up to 34 in Old Forge, 38 in Utica tomorrow, 40 in Ilion. So we will see once again lots of thawing happening, but then a hard freeze tomorrow night could cause some slick spots because of that. Now you see on the futurecast tonight, we do have some rain showers that are headed our way, as well as some wet snow showers. It's going to be highly dependent on your elevation, whether you see rain or wet snow overnight tonight. Just a few scattered showers with that coming through tonight. And then tomorrow we'll be dealing with those in the morning. Again, still warm enough for rain in the valleys, some wet snow in the higher hills, but temperatures will be falling tomorrow, and that'll change everyone over to some snow showers for later in the afternoon and evening. Notice how we get the darker blues in here. We'll actually have snow squalls possible tomorrow, and you could get a snow squall warning on your phone. Those just started last year, sort of like an Amber Alert where you get a warning on your phone. And for the definition of a snow squall, if you need a refresher, let's go over to Dan now with that. Dan?
Thanks, Colleen. So a snow squall is an intense and sudden burst of snow and wind. Now, this could create whiteout conditions and hazardous road conditions as well very quickly, making it difficult to drive. So the best thing that you can do is, if you have the time, pull over and wait, because they don't really last long. They could be over within an hour or so. So it's better to pull over and stay safe instead of taking that risk of getting into a crash. Back to you, Colleen.
Thanks, Dan. And tomorrow the roads will be relatively warm like they were today, so that should help to limit the snow piling up on the roads too much. But it's those brief whiteouts that will be a concern. Dealing with those tomorrow afternoon and in the evening hours. But then snow shifts into the North Country tomorrow night and eventually winds down. We're pretty quiet here on Friday morning, maybe even some sunshine to start the day. But we do have another chance for, once again, some either rain or wet snow showers in here for Friday afternoon and evening. And those will continue into Saturday as well. That's our last day where we have the chance for rain to mix in. After that, we're back to the cold February weather. So for tonight, tomorrow, and tomorrow night, we're looking at a dusting to an inch for most places to the south of the valley and in the valley, 1 to 3 inches for the higher hills just north, and 3 to 6 places like Boonville and Ohio, up into Old Forge, more like 1 to 3 there. And again, this will include snow falling tomorrow and tomorrow night. So by the start of the day, Friday, this is how much we're looking at, and it's going to be quite slushy this time around. Tonight, we've got a few scattered showers coming through Utica. Our low only in the low 30s. We're back up close to 40 tomorrow afternoon. We'll see some rain showers in the morning, some snow showers in the afternoon, and a few more on Friday afternoon as well. We still get into the upper 30s Saturday one last time, some snow and rain there, but then it's back to cold. Highs only in the teens for Sunday and Valentine's Day now as well, but it looks like we will see some nice rebounding back to 40 possibly by Wednesday of next week. Jamie?
Thanks, Colleen. Governor Kathy Hochul.
Now, your Eyewitness weather forecast.
Not a bad day for early February. We had lots of melting happening across the area today. Temperatures well above freezing all throughout. We got into the low 40s in Utica this afternoon. Syracuse actually hit 50 degrees, believe it or not, earlier on this afternoon. We had some nice sunshine you can see on our time lapse this morning. Killer sunset there at the end of the loop. Some clouds this afternoon, but a pretty quiet day. All these clouds rolling in ahead of our next round of showers, which are on the radar right now. We have just some drizzle really in the valley from about Herkimer over to Canajoharie. We also have some light snow happening, but nothing really to write home about tonight. We're going to continue to see just some light drizzle or flurries through the night tonight, and temperatures stay relatively warm. I'll see our low temperatures tonight only in the mid-20s in the North Country, low 30s for the rest of us. These temperatures actually more typical high temperatures for a February day this point in the month, and we'll see those only rising through the day tomorrow, getting back about to where we were today, upper 30s and low 40s it looks like in the afternoon. But once again, we're seeing melting happening across the area, despite that we will have some rain and some wet snow still falling. It's going to have a hard time sticking to the roads tomorrow because of those temperatures. Now you see in the futurecast tonight, picking up on a little bit of that drizzle and flurries that we have coming through, and it quiets down for a bit later tonight, but by daybreak tomorrow we're looking at another round of showers coming through, You can see still warm enough for rain in the valleys, some wet slushy snow in the higher hills, and then the temperature will be falling tomorrow. So everybody will be dealing with some snow showers in the afternoon, and these could be some heavy bursts of snow. You'll see the darker blue starting to show up here. Futurecast is picking up on that a little bit. We could see some brief whiteouts tomorrow. Those snow showers could really pack a punch, so it could be one of those days where it goes from sunny to white out in a very short amount of time. If you get a snow squall warning on your phone, avoid traveling, and if you're out, pull over to safety until that snow squall passes. Those can really pack a punch and make the roads very slick very quickly. Like we just said, though, it'll be pretty warm tomorrow, so that should help to mitigate the slick roads. It's just the low visibility, those whiteout conditions that are possible. With those in between, it's pretty quiet. We're still dealing with those in the evening tomorrow, but as we head into the overnight, North Country is only dealing with snow. The rest of us start to clear out, and then we're nice and quiet here Friday morning. May even have some nice sunshine during the first half of the day, but then showers and clouds are back in for Friday afternoon and evening. You can see some rain showers and again some wet slushy snow possible in the Adirondacks, and that'll be the trend into Saturday as well. We'll just have some more scattered showers, both rain and snow possible in the area. That pattern continues right on through till Saturday. So tonight we've got just a few scattered showers. Our low only 33 in Utica. That's more like a high temperature this time of year. Tomorrow we're up into the upper 30s in the afternoon, and we'll see a few rain showers in the morning, then some snow possible in the afternoon, and some brief whiteouts are possible, so do be sure to be careful. Plan ahead with your travel tomorrow evening. On Friday we're dry for most of the day, but a couple of showers to end the day. Saturday we've got some rain and snow to start, and then we cool down throughout the day Saturday, so we'll start at 39, but we'll be falling into the 20s with some snow showers Saturday afternoon, and after that we get quite cold. Highs only in the teens Sunday and Valentine's Day now as well. Temperatures will be rebounding though next week. It looks like by this time next week, possibly back up to 40. We've got more Eyewitness News coming up after the break. Stay with us right here on WFXD.
Eyewitness weather
Lots
forecast.
of melting happening across the area today. Temperatures got into the low 40s. We even hit 50 in Syracuse this afternoon. Low 40s in Utica. You can see here on our time lapse some of the snow in our parking lot melting off throughout the day today. And we had some beautiful blue sky in the morning. Really nice sunset there at the end of the loop. Not a bad February day for us really today. And now we do have some showers on the radar. Very, very light flurries or drizzle really. Not very much going on at the moment, and not very much expected to accumulate either. The ground very warm. We're still in the 30s and low 40s at this hour. And tomorrow in the afternoon, we'll have similar high temperatures getting into the low 30s in the North Country, 38 in Utica, 38 in Oneonta tomorrow afternoon as well. Running a little bit above normal, about 10 degrees or so. And that's going to continue here for the next several days. Now you can see on the Futurecast tonight that that's picking up on that drizzle and those light snow showers as well. We'll be dealing with those tomorrow in the morning. You can see still warm enough for some rain showers in the valleys and some light wet snow outside, and we'll see temperatures dropping throughout the day tomorrow, so everybody will see a change over to some snow showers in the afternoon. And even though the ground will still be very warm, so the snow won't be sticking to it very well, we're going to have some bursts of heavy snow. We could see some brief whiteouts here in the afternoon and evening hours. It could be one of those days where it goes from being sunny to white out over a very short period of time because we have some snow squalls possible. You may get an alert on your phone because of some snow squalls tomorrow. Again, in the afternoon and evening hours, be aware of those. After that, though, lake effect snow in the North Country tomorrow night eventually winds down, and we're nice and quiet here for Friday. Looking like a nice morning with some sunshine breaking out, but clouds for the afternoon and then another chance for showers. It'll be the same story where it's warm enough for rain in the valley and some wet snow in the higher hills. And that will continue into Friday night and Saturday as well. Saturday will be our last day with these unusually warm temperatures and that chance for rain. Most of us are looking at a dusting to an inch of snow. It's going to be wet and heavy snow, very, very slushy for us. 1 to 3 inches in places north of Utica, 3 to 6 Boonville, Ohio area. And again, this is not going to stick very much. It's going to take quite a while for it to stick tomorrow. Now, overnight tonight, we're down to only 33 in Utica. Very warm for a night this time of year. We've got just a few scattered showers. It's mainly drizzle at the moment. And tomorrow, we'll see some showers, rain, and snow. Watch out for possible brief whiteouts in the afternoon and evening hours, but it will be mild for us early in the day, up to 38. We're up to 40 on Friday and still close to 40 Saturday, 39 degrees there. After that, though, the cold is back. Highs only in the teens Sunday and Monday now as well. It looks like we'll hit 20s Tuesday and rebounding back to 40 possibly by this time next week. Stick around. We've got some more local news coming up after the break. Stay right here with us on WUTR.